We all know that AI can write content, help you with code, but do you know it can build working mobile games within minutes? Usually if you want to create games, you need to design, code, test and deploy. But in this video, I'll show you how you can use AI to build simple but engaging games like this and this. All this while sticking to the principle of no coding. And a quick secret, we will use AI itself to generate the prompts as well. So make sure to watch the video till the end because I'll also show you how you can quickly convert a web app to Android app so that you can play on your mobile and share it to your friends as well. We can build any simple game using AI in 4 steps. First step, get your idea and generate the prompt. This can be used as an input to AI for generating our actual game prompt. So make sure to mention that it needs to generate the prompt only. No code is required at this point. Use high impact words like futuristic, immersive. This helps AI to design our game better. I prefer Gemini to create my prompts for futuristic and modern looking UIs, but you can try it out with ChatGPT or any other tool as well. Let me know which one you like better. Let's paste our prompt in Gemini. It generated a comprehensive prompt with different sections. Let's move on to step 2, generating the code. Copy the prompt given by Gemini and paste it in Claude. I prefer Claude for generating the actual code, but if you use any other tool and you got different results, let me know in the comments. Go through the prompt once and add any changes if required. The prompt that we have looks fine to me. Hit enter and let the AI do its magic. So AI is working its way and building all the stuff. Okay, we got our output. At first glance it looks super cool, right? There are difficulty options including the dynamic option as well, and the overall feel and the UI looks really good. Now let's play it once and see. Looks good, but I feel that something is missing in this game. One obvious thing is that the game is pretty slow, right? Targets are coming up very slowly. Also, I think the speed is not increasing fully in the dynamic mode. So let's ask AI to make this game a bit faster. Let me type in the prompt for it. Now it generated another version of the code. Let's test it again. This time it feels a little better and fast, isn't it? But I still feel something is missing. I think it is the audio effects that is missing. Along with that, let's also add some error pop-ups to the game. Let me type in the prompt again. Cool, we got the updated version of the code again. Let's play it. Awesome, you can already feel the difference with the sounds that we got. This feels super impressive and beautiful. I think this is good enough for now. If you have any more ideas to improve this game, try it yourself and don't forget to let me know in the comments as well. Now let's get into step 3, which is testing on web. Now let's get this code into our computer. Copy the complete code, create a new folder, paste it in Notepad and save the file as index.html. So open this index.html file using Chrome and that's it. We got our beautiful game working right in our browser. I am getting a real urge to play this again, but this video will become very long if I do that. So let's move on to the next step now. And this is the 4th and final step, which is converting this to an Android app. For this, we can use a simple web-based tool called Web into App. This is completely free to use, so you can go and try it out as well. You can find the link in the description. Click on it, click Get Started and select HTML files. This requires the files to be in a zip format. So let's go and compress our source file into a zip file. Click on select zip file, upload the one we created, give your app a name, hit next. If you have an icon, upload it here. We can actually create icons using ChatGPT image generator. If you have any queries on it, let me know in comments. Now register with your details. Wait for the app to get generated. Now download the zip file and extract it. Open the Android folder where you can find an APK file. Let's upload this to Google Drive. Now open your mobile, download the APK file from the drive, install it and open the app. That's it. We successfully installed our app in the mobile. Let's play it again. Wow! You know what I like the most about this game? The cool text animations and the sounds for them. Let me know what you like about this in comments. It's getting too difficult. So that's it. We started with a simple idea, created a prompt out of it, generated code, tested on web, and we converted it to a working mobile app, all within 5 minutes. Now that we know how it works, let's build another game quickly using these steps. This time we will be building the classic snake game. Let's ask Gemini to provide us with a futuristic game prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it in Claude. Let's see what it generates. Okay, this looks great. Let's play it. I see a lot of issues with the initial version that got generated. But as we know, AI cannot generate the perfect output first time, right? We will have to show our skills and refine the prompts to get better results. So let me know what kind of modifications you would do for this game. Finally, if you want to play this on mobile, go back to the Web into App section and follow the steps. This is how we can build simple games quickly using AI. If you built any other games using AI, let me know in comments. And if you get to learn something from this video, please hit that like button. It will help the channel a lot. And if you want to learn and build using AI, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to watch my other videos to see how AI can be used in different use cases. See you later. Keep prompting, keep building.